to teach you how to use your 4-H show book. Now that you have picked your 4-H projects, this is your next step. I have the project areas that I have signed up for, a list in front of me. I'm just going to go through each project area and figure out and find out what I need to know in order to bring my project to the 4-H show. The first project area that I have signed up for is Civic Engagement Family Heritage. I like to use the search engine because this is a very big document, so it helps me find things quickly. I'm going to type in Family Heritage. And I need to get to the Family Heritage description so that I know the expectations for that project area. So I'm going to click through, and there we go. We have found it. Family Heritage. I do not see the book icon, so I do not need a book for this project. But I do need to make sure that I look at the description below so that I know the expectations for that project. Make sure you read through that to know what to do. The next project that I signed up for is Environmental Sciences Sport Fishing Level 3. I'm going to type in sport fishing and see if it gets me there. It did. I signed up for Sport Fishing Level 3. So I am going to look at it right here. I do see the book icon, so I need to get this book cast into the future in order to be able to show for this project area, as well as reading through the description below. The next project I signed up for was Creative and Cultural Arts Photography Level 1. I'm going to search photography. They have information at the beginning, and then they go into the actual levels. I signed up for level 1. There is a book icon, so I need to make sure that I grab the book, Photography Basics, in order to show for this project, as well as reading the expectations for photography and photography level 1. The last project that I signed up for was Career and Leadership Development, Build Your Future. I'm going to type in Build Your Future and see if I can find it in the document. Found it. Career Development, Build Your Future. I see a book icon again, so I need to make sure that I get Build Your Future notebook and read the description below for the expectations. That is all of my project areas. So for right now, I'm done with the show book, but you can continue to go back to this document and double check that you have met all the expectations for your project area so that when you come to the 4-H show in July, you are ready to go and prepared.